Hey Larry, how's it going, my man?
It's going quite alright. Just took a physics exam.
Oh, damn. You think you passed?
Nah. I think I bombed it.
Damn. That blows.
It is what it is. Just gotta prepare for the next exam about the Big Bang Theory.
Yo, dude, check it out. The Milwaukee Bucks are playing.
No way! Are they gonna win?
Yeah, man, take a seat.
Look at inbound. Jeff Green gets it into Durant. Here is Durant moving on Tucker. He turns. He shoots.
Woo! That's what I'm talking about! Up top!
So, what do we do now?
I'm not sure. I got it! Let's play slide.
Isn't that for, 4-year-old girls?
Who cares? It'll be fun.
Fine.
Slide. 1, 2, 3.
Red light. Hey guys, I was just getting a lot of noise complaints, so I wanted to make sure everything's okay. Whoa, what the hell? You guys are playing Slide without me?
Oh, sorry, Mike. It's just a 2-player game. If you want, you could join us in playing Exploding Kittens later.
No, I see how it is. You know, I thought we were close. I let you sneak in some bomb-ass cocktails. We played Bomberman together. I even shared my Pop Rocks with you. But now I know you two are using me.
Come on, man. You know that's not true. Don't have such an explosive reaction to this.
Don't give me bullshit, Todd. I known something was up with you when you told Alfred Noble not to invite me to the Michael Bay movie night. You know what? Forget you two. I hope your Samsung Galaxy phones explode right in your face!
Well, that was something.
Yeah.
Mike's so emotional sometimes.
Honestly, I swear he's always blowing a fuse.
Yeah, well, what should we do now?
Wanna play with explosives?